Dear friend, welcome to Giri Ramesh Electrical. In this video, we'll learn how do we can repair washing machine motor. Friend, when I start this machine, the motor giving humming sound, not running motor. In this case, we need to check capacitor and motor coil resistance. If good, we need to check motor bearing. In this motor bearing jam, that time also giving humming sound. I open belt from pulley. Now I am going to remove belt pulley. Here I have nut and bolt. This we need to open this nut and bolt. Then we can remove pulley. This is rotor shaft. This shaft need pre-rotating. In this motor bearing jam, we cannot open this motor shaft. We need to put liquid item on this bearing. Even WD-40 petrol, no problem. Same like video. Then we need to rotate shaft manually. We need to repeat 2-3 times. Put WD-40 or rotate and rotate. Put WD-40 and rotate by hand. Now this rotor is pre-rounding. Then we need to refix pulley and belt. Same like video. Now I am going to check this motor. This motor is working now. Pulsator working. Rounding pulsator. It's successfully repaired. Thank you for watching.